late. I'm up here at this gas station. It's late, so I decided to do a video. You know, why not? So this is my 2009 Chevy Malibu. It's an LTZ. It's a regular Malibu in my opinion. It's got tinted windows. It's got some pretty little wheels on it. But right here is my issue. This is what's stopping me from doing the build, y'all. This right here, I can't have this. The trunk, it closes when it wants to. It's closed right now, but if I open it, it's gonna be a hard time closing. I closed the trunk and actually busted the window. But that's here nor there. Yeah, it got slapped by King Kong. Slap or something, I don't know. But here, the trunk has been pushed up because this has been kind of pushed down and in. Uh-oh, I gotta get ready to go. I'm a train. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the yard, and I know you're supposed to cut it up here and do all of this, but right here, getting replaced, welded in, you know, cutting it at the seams, welding everything back, getting a new trunk, and I'm gonna make it happen. On the inside, now that door is locked, but especially what I got going on here, y'all. Fourth order is gonna start pretty much at the B pillar and go into the trunk. That way I can get as much cubic feet as I can for the seal chamber, and of course it'll give me more on the ported side. I figure the bigger the better, y'all. The bigger the better. These are my doors, and you can actually see where the magnet kind of touched. It wasn't pushing up against it, but you know, it touched right there. And then put resilient sounds is going in the doors. Everybody know I'm doing RS 1515s in the rear. Tell me guys, what do y'all think about the head unit? Should I go on and do a double den, or should I just do a little, you know, entry level, just good enough for the game, single den, and recess it in and do another iPad interface right here? I'm thinking about another iPad, you know, just to go right here. Thinking up here, maybe, you know, like a little stealth spot to put my voltmeters, you know, just have them right there. And then I got a cool idea for the box, you know, to close it off when, like, let's say, you know, I want to take this car, you know, it's not going to be a daily, but let's just say I want to take it somewhere and, you know, park it. You know, I don't want to worry about theft, so I got a couple ideas on keeping my things safe. But man, I'm not used to having this much room in a car. You know, I've been used to driving my little Honda for the last couple of years. Changing out the LEDs, I got a little flickering game going on. Right here used to be an SMD voltmeter. Oh yeah, I'm getting the check engine light took off. I'm definitely not keeping the holes in the doors. I'm not replacing it with speakers. I'm actually gonna do, you know, fiberglass doors. Y'all can give me some ideas on that if you guys want. Chime in on it. This time, I'm actually gonna have my 6.5s aiming up. Oh, my hands, woo! But hey, that's good though, because that means I'm out the shower or my hands is freshly washed. Well, for me, with my skin, because my skin gets rough after washing and I don't put lotion on. But right here, yeah, I'm thinking about aiming the speakers up and at an angle. See how that goes, just playing around with it, you know, right over here. And of course, I got my trunk switch right there. It's a lot of little things I really like to keep, like the cup holders, I like them. So the car's gonna keep a little function as well. But I'm hoping that I got an AC vent underneath. I haven't even checked. I've had this car for a year almost and haven't even checked to see if I got an AC duct under there. If I do have an AC duct, you guys already know what I'm doing with that. But yeah, so I'm gonna definitely begin start on this real soon. Tomorrow I'm hitting the junkyard. Wish me luck. Well, actually it's gonna be Saturday, but I don't know when this video is gonna be posted. So, but anyway, peace and bass, y'all.